Hey, what's up guys, Rago here, we're doing an Iron YZ250X build. This is how far we got last time with my friend Dallas. We started working on this bike together. Well, today I'm alone in the garage, so let's see how far we can get today. There is a lot that needs to be done, so let's get busy.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Alright my friends, so yeah, it would be better to first install the coil and then do the radiators. You know, this is my first YZ and I didn't really realize that I will run into this issue. On a KTM your coil is above the engine, so it's very simple to install it. Now I was still able to do it here. I didn't have to remove the radiators. I could just place it in between and then you know, put my hands in there and I was able to tighten it. It just took a little more time. Also, I had to loosen up my right radiator just a little bit to be able to fit in the wire harness and, you know, continue connecting all my wires there. We don't have it on a video, but the brakes are already done. You know, this video took a few days of filming. I would come home after work, turn on the camera and do a couple hours in the garage. And in between those days, I took the bike over to Jay Clark's garage, to Dirt Bike TV garage. He has this vacuum machine for brakes, and also took my braided line, Tusk braided line. We put everything together, front and rear brake, used brand new fluid and bled the brakes front and rear to make sure that everything is working good. So now on the video everything is done. I don't have a footage from bleeding the brakes, but yep, we did that in Jay's garage. So thank you, Jay. Alright guys, so I think that's enough fun for one video. As you can see, we are getting very close. I would say we are at maybe 70%, and the most important things are done. I checked for the spark. This thing has spark, clutch, brake, rear brake, front brake, everything is there. Everything works beautifully. Everything is done. Front is pretty much finished. All the little details are done, so the only thing remaining, and what is going to happen in the next video, you guys probably know, right? We're gonna put subframe, airbox, it's right here, we're gonna put it in, and put some fluids in, start it over and see how this puppy fire up. So we have the carburetor ready, everything is installed, just need to do a little more work before we can start it up. And once we know that it runs, after that, then we just have some finishing work here. Put some plastics on, decals, and seat already with a moto seat. They will be working on some design that will match our graphic from Decal MX. We are currently working on a design. I want it to be something a little bit unique, but not too crazy. So let's see what we can come up with. Hopefully you guys will like it. As for now, this is how far we got. I'm super stoked. I think there is just a good amount of blue, black, silver, and this bronze anodized. I think it's just a good amount that everything kind of comes together nicely. So I'm really stoked how everything looks. Guys, let me know what you think below in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.